In this video, we'll continue the theme of translating words into algebra for this example. The cube of the sum of a number x and twice another number y divided by the product of 3 and the difference between m and n. Have a go at this and I'll show you the solution on the next slide. From the text we can see we've got x, and we also have twice y, which is 2 times y, which can be written as 2y in algebra. The text continues by saying we have the sum of x and 2y, which we can write, as you see here, as x plus 2y. Extracting from the text, you can see we have the cube of this, so we have x plus 2y, and all of that is cubed. Within the text, it talks about the difference between the m and the n, which we can write as m minus n. Within the text, it also indicates we have the product of 3 and this difference, which we can write as 3 brackets m minus n. So the 3 is multiplying the entire content of the brackets, which is m minus n, which is 3 times the difference. The text also indicates that something has to be divided, and what we're dividing is the x plus the 2y, which is all cubed, by 3 times the difference, which is 3 divided by brackets m minus n, where m minus n is the difference. So this text can be represented in algebraic form by this here.